Like many Montrealers, Anne Mafre is using the lockdown as an excuse to fix up her kitchen.
I normally go away every winter. I was stuck this year and last year already. And I decided to do the renovation.
She's not the only one. For a number of reasons, contractors like Renovation have seen a rush of new customers since the start of the pandemic.
The fact that everybody's been quarantined in their homes have taught them how to appreciate better their homes. And the price of real estate went up drastically as well. So there's that they can afford to put money in their homes right now.
Walter Assey says at the same time, the price of raw materials has skyrocketed.
This is what you call gold right now, the molding prices that went from $7 pre-COVID, it's $18 now.
It's everything. Plywood has doubled in price from $40 to $80 a sheet, and a single 2x4 has more than tripled, from $2.50 to $8 a board.
Prior to the pandemic, we'd have price revisions once or twice a year, but it's just been wreaking havoc on us since the pandemic because we receive revisions almost once or twice a month now.
Meaning by the time a job is complete, the price is often well above what was in the quote.
There are jobs that we're doing right now we're actually losing money on them.
Still, customers are feeling the increase.
It's really going really over the roof. But I mean, if you want things to be done now, you have to expect to pay more. It's no choice. You do it or you don't.
But Assey says as COVID-related restrictions begin to ease, he expects supply chains will become more stable, and he hopes the exorbitant prices will begin to fall. Matt Gilmore, CTV News.